Here we come to the elevators at the Sheraton Hotel in Fantech City. These are Dover elevators. Ooh, older Dover elevators. We're gonna go up to 7. Door close button works. Rooftop restaurant on the 7th floor. Nice. Here we go. Seventh floor Dover elevator. Somehow I don't think we're on the top floor. Even though it says rooftop restaurant. Ooh, is there a phone in here? Get it to open. Whoops, I broke it. Whoa! That's not a phone. That's a secret floor button. We're gonna go up to the secret floor, which is 8, which is the top floor. So they can't really call it a rooftop restaurant if the rooftop restaurant is not on the roof. Anyways, let's go back down to 1 because we're not really supposed to be up on the 8th floor. Just look at that. Secret button. It's not even a bar button, it's just a standard Dover Classic button. It chirped again. This is a weird elevator. And that's it.